Today we learned our second math strategy for subtraction with regrouping. Before this we were working with using the tens and ones place value blocks to solve, and so we've moved on from that to learning how to draw a picture of it. It's very similar strategy to addition, only remember we're only drawing the larger value digit, which would be 31. So I would look at the number 31 and I would draw it out first. And then the next step I tell students is to stop once they've drawn their picture and think, do I have enough to take away 16? And I can look and see, well, I've got enough to take away 11, but I don't have enough to take away 16. So what I had my students do was I had them circle the one that they were going to regroup and kind of fill it in so they knew this one was gone, and then add their trading, their regrouping, their 10 loose ones. And then what I've told the students to do is, especially with this strategy and any math strategy really, they need to make sure they go back and recount to check themselves. So I go back and double check to make sure I still have 31. Even though I regrouped, I still should have the same number. So if I count, I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I still have, and 31. So I still have 31. Now I can ask myself the question again, do I have enough to take away 16? And the answer would be yes, I do. So now I would go ahead and start crossing out the ones I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take away 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the rest of the numbers I have left would be the difference. When you're working with students with subtraction, using the word difference is a good math vocabulary word that they should get used to hearing. So the difference between 31 and 16 would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The difference would be 15. So this is the strategy that we've started, and the strategy you can work on with your students at home, either as extra practice or even with the math homework that was assigned.